Today on Homes and Horsepower, we're hopping on the bike and going to check out the model for Ascent Homes in beautiful Palm Coast, Florida. We just got here to 29 Fairhill Lane. This is a semi-custom, gorgeous home with tons of upgrades. It's built by Ascent Homes. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 25 heated square feet, and it's absolutely stunning, perfect for multi-generational living. Let's go check it out. This completely separated space at the front of the home is ideal for multi-generational living, or even like a teen space. It features a separated area with a kitchenette, enough space for a little table and chair set. You could add a chair or even a small love seat, and it has a full bedroom and bathroom. This little area right off the entryway is perfect for an office nook, and it has a ton of natural light. This floor plan is perfect for hosting a large gathering. The tongue and groove wood ceiling accents just really warm the space and give it an extra touch of sophistication. I love the design of this kitchen. Open concept, huge island, double stack cabinetry, nice appliances, and of course the coffee bar and wine fridge. This home features a really nice sized primary suite. The king size bed easily fits in here. The bathroom and the closet are also huge. Immediately off the kitchen, you've got a large walk-in pantry, your laundry space. For all of my people that like a full-size truck, the garage door is 8 foot tall with side lights. Off the main living space, you'll find 2 generously sized secondary bedrooms with 1 shared bath in between. This secondary bedroom is big enough for a queen-size bedroom set, and it also features a walk-in closet. The 8 foot doors throughout this home really open up the space. The 8 foot triple slider lets in so much natural light into the home, and it's pre-plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. And the yard is fully fenced. Ascent Homes is a semi-custom builder local to Palm Coast in St. Augustine, Florida. They currently only produce a few properties per year, so if you are interested in this home, give me a call and let's go check it out before it's sold. If you have any additional questions about this builder, let me know. This property is only about a 10 to 15 minute drive from the beach, and it's currently listed at $659,900. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until next time, I'll see you. Bye.